In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Google section available here. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and then click on AutoFill with Google. Finally, Google Password Manager. And now just click on any password you wanna check. Enter your screen lock. Tap on this eye icon and this way make your password visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!